Welcome back, everyone. Today we're doing an oil and filter change on a Rolls Royce Silver Spur. This is applicable to any SZ car, Rolls Royce or Bentley, 1981 to 1999. There might be slight variances depending on your year, but generally this applies to all. To do this, you'll want to use 10 quarts of 20W50 synthetic motor oil and a oil filter from Intro Car or Flying Spares. In your car, it should come with an adapter to open the oil drain plug. You can use a 21 millimeter socket that attaches, and then just break that open, and the plug will come right out. As you can see here, we have the oil filter. There are two ways to access this, either from inside the engine bay in front of the radiator or directly underneath the car. Always remember to grease your O-ring with oil before reinstalling. Additionally, given the angle of the fitting of the oil filter, it's advised not to pre-fill the filter. Otherwise, as you're fitting the filter, it's going to all spill out into your engine bay and onto the floor. Now we're ready to put oil back into the car. Um, Again, we're using Pen Grade 20W50 synthetic oil. The Silver Spur takes about 9 to 10 quarts. It's a good idea to start with 9 and then bring the car down to level ground, measure the oil, and see if you need to add another quart.